In this really short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a white silhouette around an image which has had its background removed, like you see in some of these thumbnails on YouTube just here. So we have a person and we have the silhouette or the glow around them. So I'm going to jump back into Canva. I've basically got an artboard here which has just got a nice colour on the background. I have an image here in my uploads which I'm going to bring in. This is just an image of some guy that I got from Pixabay, and I've already removed the background from this image. I'm just going to scale it up and position it on the artboard so it's much bigger. Now what we need to do is we need to click on the edit image button. So with the image selected, we click on edit image, and then you'll see I've already recently used shadows. I can scroll down and I can find the shadows options here, or what we can do is we can search for shadows, and you'll see you get different types of shadows within the see all. I'm going to go for the glow shadow, and it will now apply that to my image. Now it's not too easy to see at this moment in time, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on glow again to bring up the individual settings for the glow shadow effect. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the size to around about, let's say about 12 for this one, and you can start to see the shadow on the outside. I'm going to bring the transparency right up to 100, so it's basically solid. And then the reason it looks a little bit faded here is actually because the blur is still on. So I'm going to drop the blur down to about 1 or 2. And then the final thing I'm going to do is change the color. So you can add your own color here. You can use one that's in your document already, or you can choose from these palettes. And I said I'd go for white, so let's apply the white one there. And then all we do is click apply. And as you can see, we have now added a lovely white silhouette around this image.